Hey guys, it is Farah and I am back with another nail video. Today we're going to keep it simple. These are the nails that I am doing. And yeah, let's get into it. So, I'm going to start off with these Model 1 soft gel tips. These are the ones I'm going to use. I already sized them up right here on the side. We are going to be doing the easy peel method per usual because I'm just doing this for the video. I'm going to start off with some I'm going to start off with some cuticle oil that I'm going to rub on my cuticles and also the nail. And then I'm going to add matte top coat to my nails and then cure for 30 seconds. Disclaimer: when you put your nails under the blue light, it is going to sizzle. It's obviously some type of reaction that's going on. I don't know how bad it is for your nails, so do this at your own discretion. I am not a professional, okay? This is the gel glue that I'm using from MAC Art, and I'm going to start applying by adding some glue to the nail and then putting it on my finger. Starting off with my pinky, and then I'm working my way to my thumb. If you guys have not done so already, y'all have been hanging out with me this far, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Show you guys some love. Hit that like button. Now I'm just going to put my whole hand under the UV light or blue light, whatever, for an additional 30 seconds. Now I'm just gonna file off some of the excess glue that I have around the cuticles. Just gonna spray a little alcohol. They're gonna get ashy and dry. And then I'm gonna add some base to my nails before I add the white nail polish. Gonna cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm gonna go in with white on top. I dread doing white nails because I feel like white and black nail polish are like the hardest to do. It gets everywhere, you know? You can like see the imperfections. Alright, so this is how we are looking after 2 coats of the white. Now I'm going to add top coat because I'm going to be using chrome and I want it to be shiny. So here's my top coat. Now that I have the top coat on, I'm going to add this chrome to the nails. I think it's going to give it a nice silver metallic look. And yeah, let's see how it ends up looking. I think if I did this with black, it will obviously have a way more like silver effect, but because I have the white under, I wanted it to be like a very subtle chrome, just cute, because you know, trying to give those summer vibes. I'm just going to do, that's cute. I'm going to do all the nails. I'm going to add top coat right here because I don't want my top coat to have a whole bunch of glitter on it. I have like an old bottle of top coat that I'm going going to use the brush. So that's my little trickery. So this is my little old bottle. Alright guys, we are basically at the end. I hope you think these are a super cute alternative to just doing the regular white nail. I think they came out cute, they're nice and simple, definitely summertime ready. But yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.